Unveiling the power of, it's a game changer. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very exciting phrase that you might have heard in conversations, movies, or even in business contexts. It's a game changer. This expression is not only popular but also carries a significant meaning that can add flair to your English. Let's explore what makes this phrase a real game changer in communication. The phrase, "it's a game changer," refers to something or someone that dramatically alters the current situation or the way things are done, usually for the better. Imagine playing a game where the rules suddenly change in a way that makes the game even more interesting. That's exactly the impact of a game changer in real-life scenarios. While the exact origin of game changer is difficult to pinpoint, it's widely accepted that the term comes from sports, where a new player, strategy, or technique can change the outcome of the game entirely. Over time, this phrase has transcended sports and is now used in various fields, including business, technology, and everyday life, to describe anything that brings about significant change. To fully grasp the meaning of, "it's a game changer," let's look at some examples. 1. Technology. The introduction of smartphones was a game changer for how we communicate and access information. 2. Business. Hiring the new CEO was a game changer for the company's turnaround strategy. 3. Personal growth. Adopting a positive mindset has been a game changer for my personal development. These examples show how the phrase can be versatile, applicable in various scenarios where significant, positive change is involved. Using "it's a game changer" in your conversations can emphasize the transformative impact of something. Here are a few tips. Use it to describe innovations or decisions that have a significant positive outcome. It can be used both in professional and casual settings. Combine it with personal anecdotes for more engaging storytelling. We hope this exploration of "it's a game changer" has been enlightening and that you can now use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Whether it's about the latest technology, a pivotal moment in your life, or groundbreaking news, knowing how to articulate these transformative moments can indeed be a game changer in how you communicate. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to practice using this powerful phrase in your daily interactions.